Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm taking you along with me for a day of thrifting. We're going to be stopping at some local thrift stores, some antique shops. I'm always looking for good quality pieces for my home that are unique and special but are at an affordable price, and thrifting is always the best way to accomplish that. I'll share with you what I look for, what I stay away from to find all the best things. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and head to the first store.
Let's start out at one of the most common places to thrift, which is the Goodwill. There's always new stuff coming in here, so I like to pop in every week or so. I always like to thrift lamps whenever I can because they're so much more affordable at the thrift store. This lamp base is just $5.99 and I can put my own lampshade on it and really create my own look. So I find that thrifting lamp bases really helps cut the costs when decorating your home. Lamp bases of this size would be over $50 at any other retailer. So if you are trying to find a deal and get large, classic, traditional style lamps, definitely have lamps on your thrifting list. The glassware section is always one of my favorite places to look around because they have everything you need for your kitchen. If you are moving into your first home or you're trying to stock your kitchen with all of the necessities, just thrift everything you need. I just found this glass measuring cup that holds 4 cups and it's $5.99. So when I'm thrifting in here, I'm looking for unique special finds, maybe some unique glasses for a bar cart or your kitchen, but I'm also looking for necessities I need in general. So have your eyes open for all things at the thrift store and you'll find exactly what you need to really complete your home. I noticed that there's always a ton of mugs in here. You can find one-off mugs or matching sets, even a lot of teacup sets. And I think these would be perfect for a little garden party, a tea party, bridal shower, brunch, or baby shower. If you want to have the ladies together and really create a garden party look and tablescape, you can definitely do that by just thrifting some teacups. They can all be different, they can all be special and good quality, and I think it would make for such a pretty party. So sometimes I even come in here and just look for special pieces like that that would be great for an event or upcoming gathering. Let me know what you guys think about these plates because I think they are super cute. The colors are so bright and happy, and I think they would be perfect for a summer party. I love the floral pattern, the shape, and the gold edge. They're just so pretty. Ooh, this tray is a really good find. I love thrifting trays. You can just gather your decor and your necessities on a tray and it just instantly makes your home look better. It's $5.99, it's heavy metal, it's perfect. I think the most affordable way to decorate your home is with thrifted books. You can add color and height and size and shape to any surface, shelving, or table around your home. All you do is take off that outer book sleeve and you can reveal a beautiful linen cover book underneath. This is going to give you solid colors that you can work into your home. So instead of having bright, shiny book covers like this, you can reveal really neutral book covers underneath that can integrate into your design. So these are perfect for styling your home and layering up decor. You can even find cookbooks here and do the exact same thing to style your kitchen. You can do this with your existing old cookbooks and really modernize the look of them by just removing that outer book sleeve. Most of the hardcover books here are just $2.99, so this is the best and easiest way to style your home on a budget. You just can't beat the furniture prices in here. This side table is just $19.99, and this could be stained, painted, stripped down, and it could be totally refreshed. I think it would actually look really good in a dark stain or a black.
All right, so that was a successful first stop. Every time I can find a few things at each shop, it's a good thrifting day. So I got everything for $5.99 each. I picked up this big glass measuring cup because it holds 4 cups, and I love getting all of my kitchen essentials at the thrift store, like all of my dishes and pans and things like this that you need for baking and cooking. Just get them at the thrift store. You're gonna save so much money when you're trying to complete your kitchen. Also, this really cute lamp base. They tested it out at the checkout and it absolutely works. So definitely a good find. This was $5.99 as well. And then I got this big metal tray for $5.99 as well. I like that it's really shallow but long. So this is great for surfaces, gathering decor or essentials on top. It just makes everything in your home look neater and a little bit more decorated. So if you're new to thrifting, every thrift store is a little bit different. You kind of have to hop around town to see which stores have the best books, which stores have the best furniture, decor, lighting, dishes. So I kind of try and go everywhere to try and find all the best things. But let me know down below in the comments what your favorite thing to thrift is. Do you like thrifting furniture, decor, lighting, dishes, books, or clothes? If it is clothes, I highly recommend checking out ThredUp. I just got my summer order in from ThredUp and I found such great pieces. ThredUp's an online thrift and consignment store that sells women's and children's clothing at a discounted price. It's also easier to get secondhand clothing on ThredUp than a thrift store, I find, because you can narrow down your search by size, color, style, brand. So it's really easy to find exactly what you're looking for. I could get Lululemon pants, Zara dresses, Abercrombie jeans, and even items that are new with tags. I found this entire outfit on ThredUp. I just love it. It's all Abercrombie, so this would all originally be very expensive. Like the top has an estimated retail value of $62, and I got on ThredUp for $18.99. And then the jeans were estimated retail value $83, and I got them for $28.99. I love that they're a little bit longer, so I wore them with a heel, and then it kind of dresses up the outfit. If you're ever looking for affordable Lululemon, look on ThredUp because they had so many options. I ended up going with these pants that are kind of like that groove style with the flare, and I love them. These are something that I would literally wear everywhere, every day. I love a good linen one-piece outfit for the summer. They're just lightweight and easy. You can dress them up, dress them down. This is super cute. I love finding full outfits on ThredUp. So I got these Zara pants and this Abercrombie top. I love puffy sleeves and wide leg pants. How cute is this dress? It's literally brand new with tags from a brand called Good Luck Gem. It has an estimated retail value of $34.99, and I got it on ThredUp for just $11.99. So if you guys liked any of the items that I picked in my order, you can actually shop similar items on ThredUp using the link down below in the description box, and you can get an extra 40% off your first ThredUp order using my code Kristen. I'll have that all linked down below in the description box so you guys can thrift as well. All right, now let's head into one of my favorite little antique shops. Antique shops are so much fun to explore because they have beautiful, authentic, special finds that you'll never find anywhere else, but they are very pricey. So you can go into these shops with the mindset of just grabbing some inspiration, or you can buy some special finds for your home.
I love wandering through stores like this. This is one of those places that you could just spend hours going through every single item. There's something for everybody, and it's the kind of shop that's curated with brand new items like these stunning glasses and of course antique pieces. So it's really fun to look around. These cutting boards are incredible. This is the type of practical decor that you would use in your kitchen, just leaned up against your backsplash or behind your stovetop. Antique shops like this are the perfect place to look if you're trying to add character and individuality to your home. You can find modernized pieces like these wall sconces. These are just $150 each. They plug right into the wall, and I think they would add such a unique touch to any space. Now, I have vintage style rugs all over my home, but I don't have anything as authentic as these. These are authentic Turkish vintage rugs. These are stunning. The colors are vibrant but muted, and the quality is absolutely top tier. So this is the type of place that you can find these gorgeous runners to use in small spaces, bathrooms, to really bring your space to life. I think it's so interesting walking around this store and seeing all of these antique pieces that are actually trending today. It shows how timeless these design elements are, so don't be afraid to use these pieces in your home because they are absolutely forever finds. If you've seen any of my decorating videos, you know I love antique landscape art, but the price tag on these pieces is very high. That small piece was almost $300, so I always like to take ideas from stores like this and get the look for less. So I find vintage art on Etsy that's of ships and landscapes, pieces that look just like this, and frame them myself to really create that look for less. Now, large antique furniture can be even more expensive, so I actually like to look in these stores for small accessories. I think small accessories that show personality, add color, a little bit of a unique touch to areas around your home makes a difference. Like these gorgeous binoculars are stunning. The finish is beautiful. They would just be interesting and something different to add to a coffee table around your home. Small items like this spark conversation, and that's what every home needs. How good are these antique French doors? I could see them being pantry doors, office doors, dining room doors. They are absolutely stunning. Mixing old, aged pieces like this around a new home really brings it to life and makes your space feel lived in, collected, and just super cozy. Now let's head into the second Goodwill. This is more of a bookstore Goodwill. They do have some decor and furniture pieces, but the aisles and the shelves are mostly filled with books. So this is where I go to find a lot of my styling books. I feel like it's a lucky day if I find a pretty book that also is about a topic that I enjoy. So this one's all about flowers. It's the type of book that you can leave the page open or you can close it up and use it as decor. This time I found so many books that actually already had the sleeves removed. So you get these gorgeous solid colors. This one is actually about interiors. So that's a bonus every time I can find an interior design book at the thrift store. Most of the books around my home are thrifted like this, so I'm always looking for those large scale books, hard covers with solid neutral colors. I also found this World Atlas. The size of it is incredible. I love the color of it, and I just love maps and traveling, so this is the perfect addition as well. Every home needs an atlas.
So these are great for stacking on coffee tables, surfaces, adding height to your decor, and color to your space. So I really like to find colors of books that work with my home design as well. So each of these were just $2.99. I got 4 that are around the same size like this. They have really great pictures inside. The linen covers are really pretty. So this is the best way to get affordable books to style your home.
Now let's switch it up and head into the Salvation Army family store. I just spotted brand new outdoor furniture in here. I have seen these on every furniture site, and these are literally new with tag pieces. So don't think that thrifting is just about secondhand pieces. Sometimes there's brand new items as well. I also love trying to find good quality, large, solid coffee tables. Coffee tables can be pretty pricey, especially at this scale. So if you can find them at the thrift store, you're getting such a good deal. Again, these can be refinished, painted, stained to create a whole new look. But the size, shape, and quality is really what you're getting the best deal on. Ooh, something like this is such a good find. It could be used all over your home and it's such a pretty shape. Again, you can refinish it, stain it, but one thing I would definitely do is remove those fold down pieces so that it's just the center unit. You could use this type of thing for a bathroom vanity and totally convert it into something new. I love thrifting trunks like this. They're perfect for storage, but also can be stacked to create end tables, nightstands, coffee tables. They're such versatile pieces if you're going for that vintage look. You can always spot at least one copper item in every thrift store. If you're looking to add some copper finishes to your home and copper decor or essentials for your kitchen, you need to thrift them because that's where you're going to find all of the authentic pieces without buying overpriced items.
Alright, so that's it for today's thrifting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on what you should look for next time you're out thrifting. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite thing to thrift is. Is it clothes? Is it furniture? Is it decor? Do you shop at antique shops or thrift shops? Let me know down below. And again, you can thrift similar items to me on ThredUp using the link down below in my description box, and use my code Kristen to get an extra 40% off your first ThredUp order. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!